So in this last video tutorial, I'm going to show you all the color correction included in VoluMax. You can see here under the VoluMax controller the color corrections. And if you go in the effect panel, you can see all the possibilities to correct your picture here. So we're going to start by the black and white. This is a simple black and white. Then you have the exposure. If you do some photography, you know what I'm talking about. The gamma is once again, if you do some photography, you know what I'm talking about. But what it's going to do, it's just going to do a curve on the medium values, light or dark. Okay, the contrast, a simple contrast here. Saturation, if you want to boost your colors, or maybe low down a bit. Then we have three effects here called the Insta looks. To get close of histogram effects, we have the Insta red here. Okay, it's gonna just work on the red channel. The Insta green, like this. You can see this is giving a kind of a look. If you play with the saturation, maybe you can have something nice. And the Insta blue, like this. Okay. Then we have the vignetting over here. I'm going to put it at 100%. You can just play with the scale of the vignetting. Okay, and you can blur it too. I'm going to put this off. Okay, and now we have the light leaks over here. The light leaks are not just videos you're going to put in front of your scene. They are random light leaks. They are procedural, if you know what I'm talking about. And I'm going to show you how it works. I'm going to take these guys off over here to get something black. And let's just play with the opacity here. Okay. Let's do a preview so I can show you how this works. So this is a random thing. You can just change it here in light leaks random, and you can choose another one. Okay, you can change the color too. Put some blue maybe here, and some green. So you can really do lots of things with these light leaks here. I'm going to come back with these two colors I like very much. I'm going to go back, activate my picture and my objects, the balloon. And let's take a look here. Okay, this is nice. So I can show the randomize here. Okay. And that's it.